Right guys, welcome back to the video. It's been a while since we did an unboxing the channel here. So anyway, here we got the Xiaomi 70mai dash cam. This is the 1S version. So you can see here 70mai smart dash cam 1S. So this is the upgraded version to the one which is previous model, which is just a Xiaomi 70mai dash cam. So yeah, this one is the one without the screen. I did a review on unboxing of the version with the screen, which is the 70mai Dashcam Pro. So somewhere here I'll put a card. You can click on it or link to that video. But anyway, this video, we're going to take a look at this budget-friendly dashcam for your car. So let us take a look at the quick specs here first. So as you can see, we have the model number, input voltage, we have the resolution, so this will need 1080p maximum. We have the SD card as a storage. I think it's a maximum 64 GB, and battery size is 140 mAh, and yeah, that's all. So let us cut it open, take a look what else we get in the package. So here we go. Let's slide it up open. And yes, here we got the anti-static sticker here to install the dash cam. So looks like they only gave one. And here we have some instructions on what to do. Let's put that aside. So we got the manual as well in English. So this is the global version, by the way, guys. So we have English, a couple of languages available here for your reading. So to show how to install, you can install the app as well. You can download from the Google Play Store from this QR code, or you can just search in the Play Store or the Apple App Store. Let's put it aside. So this is the car dash cam as itself. Let me just open up the dash cam. So here we go, and so here we have the lens over here, and more details behind. So this is where you stick this onto the electrostatic sticker on the car. So we got some, yeah, here is the inputs. We have the SD card slot, we have the micro USB port and a reset button. This side I think there's a lighting and it's a button. You can see there's battery, and yeah, I turned it on. So
the light's already on. Activated using cell phone connection.
Okay, it's asking for connection link.
Off Wi-Fi hotspot.
So let us take out this thing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now let's just put this aside. Let's see what else do we get. I think it should be the cable already. There's nothing else left. Yes, we got some things here. So here we have the micro USB cable. You can see USB to USB, and that's it. So that should be it. Nothing else. So put this aside. Get the device itself. So yeah, pretty nice and compact, you can see. So one thing good about this camera is that this one, at night time, it will be much better when recording. So they're using a upgraded sensor. I'm not sure what's the lens model, but I'll put it somewhere here if I find it, compared to the previous version. So this is an upgraded version, and the good thing about this one is that it's not that expensive compared to the Pro version, which is almost double the price just for the screen and high resolution recording. But this guy here is actually pretty decent for entry budget friendly dash cam for your car. So guys, that is the unboxing of the 70mai dash cam. So what do you guys think of this product? I don't know, I just unboxed it, so do a review on it and see the quality as well. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this one, and peace out.